cooking mandazi today. I've not taken all the videos, so I'll show you just kidogo. From this to this, and then to this, like that, and it's done.
So that's how you cook, right? So can you tell them the voice behind the camera?
The voice behind the camera is my hubby. Yeah, it's my hubby, my husband.
The husband is not yet to be revealed.
Yeah, not yet to be revealed. I'll reveal him not soon. Yeah.
So I'm assisting my girl here to kukucha mandazi. This mandazi. It's mandazi. That's how it is. From that to this, and then to this. Look at that. It's yummy. It's yummy. Yummy. From here to here. They look yummy, yummy. They look delicious. And my wife here is making the work done. Yes.